constantly having a bad cold and coughing daily? Whether you are indoors or outdoors, feeling uneasy and uncomfortable, which can be a problem that affect your daily activity. Drink a cup of Therabio, NutriBerries C daily to effectively boost your immune system. Each NutriBerries C sachet is equivalent to 21 oranges. NutriBerries C contains 7 different types of berries in one sachet, giving you a refreshing and bursting sensational berries experience. NutriBerries C is 1.5 times in 1,500 milligrams vitamin C per sachet that helps relieve your cold and cough.